Hi there, my name is Carolina Ramos and my partner is Elias Vidal. And today we're going to talk about, or today we're going to explain to you guys about our course design. Um, um, we use the educational institution Cecilia de Lleras, and the topic we chose was environment and society. The unit was appreciate my biodiversity. And on the other hand, is language focus. There are some language focus, for example, language function, language skills, and vocabulary. The first is language functions, and the purpose of the objective here is the students distinguishing and describing in English some characteristic and the importance of other living being in the context. And second, language skills. We use speaking, listening, writing. And the last one is vocabulary. Any animal classification, habit, and biodiversity. Next approach is approach. Here we use three approaches: project basic learning, taste basic learning, and community language teaching. And the next is the learning outcomes, and these learning outcomes is so important to to give a class. um, some learning outcomes, for example, by the end of the course, students will be able to identify characteristics of their environment. And the materials we needed were copied, flashcards, worksheets, and video beam. Anyway, finally is Word App, and in this Word App we use flashcards about animals and the biodiversity. The students will be shown some flashcards that shows the biodiversity in their country. And in this Word App we use 10 minutes.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about the activity one. This activity is for the students. Here they are going to know what they are going to learn. So the activity two is to practice what they are learning. And finally, the learning product is a quiz where we are going to evaluate what they learned. Finally, here is the extension that is to uh, help the students to keep this knowledge. And finally, here are the implementation alternatives that are some optional helps or tools that you can use to teach this class. And finally, here we have the keywords that, as it says, are the most important words in this class. So that's it.